Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the use carousel display option on the BBC News application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three dot at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the first option, the settings, and in the general section you can find the last option, the use carousel display, and just tap to the white square icon. And now this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.